In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Typeform with Google Tag Manager. We'll walk through the full setup from start to finish so you can connect your form to your tracking tools and make sure your data is being captured properly. First, open Google Tag Manager and either create an account or open an existing one. If you don't already have a container set up, create one now. Once you're inside, copy your container ID. This is the code that starts with GTM followed by a series of letters or numbers. You'll need that in just a moment to connect Typeform to your container. Next, log into Typeform and open the specific form you want to track. Make sure you're editing the correct form before moving on, especially if you manage multiple forms. Inside the Typeform editor, click the gear icon to open the form settings. From there, turn on cookie consent and then save your changes. This step is important because people filling out the form need to accept Typeform cookies in order for Google Tag Manager event tracking to work correctly. If this setting is skipped, your tracking may not behave as expected. After that, go to the Connect tab in Typeform, search for Google Tag Manager, then click Connect. When prompted, paste in the GTM Container ID you copied earlier and save it. At this point, Typeform is linked to your Google Tag Manager container. Now head back to Google Tag Manager, open the Tag section and click New to create a new tag. Choose the tracking tool you want to use, such as Google Analytics or another supported platform. The exact settings here will depend on the tool you're sending data to, so configure the tag based on your tracking setup. Once the tag is created, set up the trigger that determines when the tag fires. Choose the timing that fits your goal. For example, a page view trigger can be used for basic page tracking. Then finish configuring the tag according to the platform you selected. Give your tag a clear, recognizable name and save it. Using a descriptive name makes future updates and troubleshooting much easier. Next, test the setup by opening the Publish Typeform. Accept the cookie consent prompt, interact with the form, and submit a test response. This helps confirm that the tracking is working under real conditions. Then check your tracking inside Google Tag Manager using Preview or Debug mode to verify that the tag is firing. After that, review the analytics or advertising platform connected to your tag to confirm the data is being received. Once everything is working correctly, go back to Google Tag Manager, click Submit, and publish your container changes so the tracking goes live.